Hindi ya icera riake mwena wa Gatundu muthenya wa umuthi, Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i neugite thirikari ne eigite keheri muigana wa shiringi bilioni 1 ari gicunje gia shiringi bilioni 2.5 iria itanyitwo kuriha ikereka ria keri ria aikari aria meguthamio kumana na waki wa ndemu ino thiini wa ikereka ria keri.
The phase 2 will go on smoothly. We have enough resources to proceed. We are, as the minister said, we allocated 1 billion this financial year. We are looking for some money so that we make sure that we do not lose a day in the implementation of the project.
Nafurahia sana, siasa ameona. Najua tumekuwa na safari ngumu sana ya kusikizana na watu wetu. And I'm happy because ametuelezea kuwa ile pesa tunahitaji ya compensation ya phase 2 atahakikisha kuwa hiyo pesa itapatikana.
Matiang'i uria uma hamwe na Minister wa Mai Simon Chelugui ni agathiriria waki wa ndemu ino akiuga ati ica ikuhi Mutongoria wa bururi ni agukorwo agicera guthurima uthii wa nambere wa waki uyu na oho kwamba ihiga ria muthingi.
We have money to pay for compensation. We are ready to pay compensation, but because of succession problems, there are so many court cases that are hindering our movement on project.
We will manage this project meticulously. We will ensure every day, every minute is used to deliver this project.
Kurumirira mateta ma aikari iguru rigie kuimwo mieke ya mawira augite ni kumbitwo kamiti ya kurumbuiania na mateta maya iria gutigirira ati gicunje kia 70 hari igana kia mawira kia heyo aikari a matura maya.
Tutahakikisha kwamba hiyo maneno tutashughulikia ili pia wakati huyu mkandarasi akitoka hata utajiri umewachwa hapa nyumbani.
Waki wa ndemu ino ya Kariminu utanyitwo kuhuthira muigana wa shiringi bilioni 24. Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.